Welcome back to our channel, Food Enthusiasts. If you've ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed by the time and effort it takes to prepare meals, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 time-saving cooking hacks that will streamline your cooking and meal preparation process. These tips are practical, easy, and guaranteed to make your time in the kitchen more efficient. But before we get started, let me ask you this. Would you like to cut your cooking time in half while still making delicious meals? If so, stay tuned because these hacks are going to revolutionize your kitchen routine. And remember, stick around until the end because we've got a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. 1. The magic of meal prep. Meal prep is a game changer when it comes to saving time in the kitchen. By spending just a couple of hours once a week preparing your ingredients and meals in advance, you can shave hours off your daily cooking time. Here's how to do it. Start by planning your meals for the week. Write down a detailed grocery list and head to the store to gather all the ingredients you need. Once you're back, dedicate a chunk of time to chopping vegetables, marinating proteins, and portioning out snacks. Store everything in airtight containers and label them clearly. This way, when it's time to cook, you'll have everything ready to go. But there's a secret method to meal prep that can save you even more time, and we'll reveal it shortly. Plus, do you know the best containers to use for meal prepping? Keep watching to find out. 2. Invest in quality kitchen tools. Having the right tools can make a world of difference when it comes to efficient cooking. While it might be tempting to get by with the basics, investing in a few quality kitchen tools can save you a significant amount of time and effort. A sharp chef's knife is a must-have for quick and safe chopping. A food processor can handle tasks like grating, slicing, and pureeing in seconds. An instant pot or slow cooker can take over the job of cooking while you focus on other tasks. Even smaller tools like a garlic press, a good set of measuring spoons, and a silicone spatula can streamline your cooking process. But did you know there's one particular tool that professional chefs swear by to save time? We'll reveal it soon. Plus, discover how to choose the best kitchen gadgets for your needs in an upcoming video. 3. Multitasking is your friend. When it comes to saving time in the kitchen, multitasking is key. Instead of waiting for one step to finish before starting the next, look for ways to overlap tasks. For instance, while your pasta is boiling, use that time to saute your vegetables or prepare your sauce. If you're roasting meat or vegetables in the oven, use that time to make a salad or set the table. By doing multiple things at once, you can significantly reduce your overall cooking time. However, it's important to stay organized and keep an eye on all the processes to avoid burning or overcooking anything. And there's a pro tip that can make multitasking even more effective, which we'll share with you in a bit. Do you know how to create a cooking schedule to maximize efficiency? Stay tuned to find out. 4. Batch cooking is a lifesaver. Batch cooking involves making large quantities of food at once and then storing portions for future meals. This hack is perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without the daily hassle. Choose recipes that freeze well, such as soups, stews, casseroles, and pasta dishes. Spend a few hours on a weekend making big batches of these meals, then divide them into individual portions and store them in the freezer. When you need a quick meal, simply defrost and reheat. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures you always have a healthy meal on hand. But there's a little-known trick to batch cooking that can make it even more efficient. We'll share that shortly. Plus, do you know the best way to label and organize your batch-cooked meals? Keep watching. 5. Embrace one-pot and sheet pan meals. One-pot and sheet pan meals are a dream come true for busy cooks. They simplify both cooking and cleanup, making your life easier all around. With one-pot meals, all your ingredients cook together in a single pot or skillet, melding flavors and reducing the number of dishes you need to wash. Sheet pan meals work similarly. Simply place all your ingredients on one baking sheet and roast them together. These meals are not only convenient, but also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match proteins, vegetables, and seasonings to create endless combinations. But did you know there's a secret to making one-pot and sheet pan meals even more flavorful? We'll spill the beans soon. Plus, we've got some delicious recipe ideas in our upcoming videos. Don't miss them. Bonus tip: mise en place. Mise en place is a French culinary term that means everything in its place. It's a fundamental practice in professional kitchens and can be a game changer for home cooks too. Before you start cooking, take the time to measure out all your ingredients and have them prepped and ready to go. This means chopping vegetables, measuring spices, and having all your tools on hand. By organizing everything in advance, you can cook more efficiently and avoid the last-minute scramble for ingredients. Mise en place helps you stay focused and reduces cooking time significantly. And there's a trick to mastering mise en place that even professional chefs use. Stay tuned till the end to find out. Plus, do you know how to set up your kitchen for ultimate efficiency? We'll be sharing tips on that soon. And there you have it, our top 5 time-saving cooking hacks that will streamline your kitchen routine and make meal preparation a breeze. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily life, you'll spend less time cooking and more time enjoying delicious homemade meals with your loved ones. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable cooking tips and tricks. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.